Respected Managing Director, Directors, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Deputy Chief Financial Officer, Auditors, Scrutinizer, and Shareholders. Good morning to all. I welcome you all for 40th Annual General Meeting of POLYSPIN Exports Limited. This meeting is being conducted through video conferencing as per the circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India. We are providing this live webcast of this meeting through NSTL platform. Our company is not having permanent chairman of the board. Also, the company is not having permanent chairman for the AGM. We got to elect chairman for this meeting as proposed.
I propose A.C. Ravi to be the chairman.
Thank you, sir. As proposed by Sri R. Ramji, Managing Director of the company, Sri S.V. Ravi, Non-Executive Director, is elected as chairman of this meeting. It's my pleasure to introduce Sri S.V. Ravi, Non-Executive Director of the company. He holds a bachelor degree in business administration. He is the Managing Director of Chola Packaging Private Limited. He has rich experience in technical textile industry and business management. He is on the board of the company since 1992. I request Chairman Sri S.V. Ravi to preside over the meeting and introduce the directors and other attendees joined through video conference.
Thank you. Good morning, and I welcome you all to the 40th Annual General Meeting of POLYSPIN Exports Limited. At the outset, I would like to introduce all the directors and other panelists who are participating through video conference. I am introducing Sri R. Ramji, Managing Director of the company, who holds bachelor degree in computer application. He has rich experience in technical textile industry, and he has been in the woven sack industry for the 3 decades. He is on the board of the company since 1991. Sri R. Sundaram, Independent Director. He is a chartered accountant. He has wide knowledge in areas of tax planning and management. He is the chairman of Audit Committee and Nomination and Remuneration Committee. He has been on the board of the company since 2019. Sri S.R. Subramanian, Non-Executive Director, holds Master Degree in Finance. He has 4 decades of rich experience in bank and stock market activities. He is the chairman of Stakeholders Relationship Committee and the board of the company since 1985. The V.S. Jagdish, Independent Director, holds B.Tech in Technical Textile Technology, and he has around 5 decades of rich experience in manufacturing industry and administration. He is on the board of the company since 2019. Sri S.R. Venkat Narayan Raja, Independent Director, holds bachelor degree in business administration. He has around 4 decades of vast experience and knowledge in manufacturing industry, administration, finance, and marketing. He is the chairman of Corporate Social Responsibility Committee and on the board of the company since 2019. Srimati Durga Randi, Non-Executive Director, holds bachelor's degree in science. He has rich experience in business management and administration. He is on the board of the company since 2014. I would like to introduce the other panelists, Sri S. B. Subramanian, Secretarial Auditor and Scrutinizer, Sri B. Ponram, Chief Operating Officer, Sri S. Srinivasavaradhan, Chief Financial Officer, Sri A. Muralidharan, Deputy Chief Financial Officer, and Sri V. Sri Krishnan, Partner of Krishnan and Raman, Statutory Auditors of the company. The minimum quorum required for conducting this meeting is 15 members. I confirm that the sufficient quorum is present. I request Company Secretary to take over the proceedings on behalf of the Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. One more director, Sri Rajesh Devarajan, is not present at today's meeting due to some preoccupations. The registers as required under the Companies Act are available and will remain accessible to the members electronically. Members who would like to inspect the registers can send the request to the email ID polyspinexportcs@gmail.com. The notice convening this 40th Annual General Meeting, along with the Director's Report, Auditor's Report, and the financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2025, has already been circulated to the members through email on 13th July 2025 and also uploaded on the website of the company and the stock exchange. We also send the letters to the shareholders who are all not registered their email ID with the company or RTA on 13th July 2025.
Not audible, is not clear.
We also send the letters to the shareholders who are not registered their email IDs with the company or RTA on 30th July 2025. It contains the exact link and path where the annual report of the company for the year ended 31st March 2025 is available. With the consent of the members and chairman, the AGM notice is taken as read. Auditor's report and the second audit reports for the year ended 31st March 2025 did not contain any qualification or reservation or adverse remarks. With the consent of the members, the auditor's reports shall be taken as read. Also, the company has provided the remote e-voting facility to the members to vote on the proposed resolutions. The remote e-voting facility commenced at 9 a.m. on 26th August 2025 and closed at 5 p.m. on 28th August 2025. In addition to the remote e-voting, arrangement was also made for e-voting during this AGM. The members who are attending this meeting through video conferencing and not voted in the remote e-voting can vote during this meeting. The e-voting will remain open for 15 minutes after close of the AGM. The members who have not voted earlier can now cast their vote before the closure of the voting session. The members who are already voted in the remote e-voting can attend this meeting and shall not be entitled to vote again. Now I request the chairman, C.S.V. Ravi, to apprise the members about the performance of the company for the financial year 2024-25 and future prospects.
Thank you. Dear shareholders, good morning and a very warm welcome to all shareholders, directors, auditors, and key management personnel to this 40th annual general meeting being conducted through video conferencing mode as per the circular issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. I thank you, all of you, for participating in this meeting. I would like to highlight the company's performance for the financial year 2024-25 compared to 2023-24. Performance of the company. The company has earned a total revenue of rupees 228.995 crores as against 206.11 crores of the previous year, achieved a tremendous growth of 11%. Earnings before interest, depreciation, and taxes of rupees 16.66 crores as against 2.96 crores of the previous year. Cash profit of 11.24 crores as against the cash loss of 0.95 crores of the previous year. The profit before tax stood at rupees 6.86 crores as against the loss before tax of 4.12 crores of the previous year. The company has incurred the loss of rupees 1.11 crores as against 85 lakhs of the previous year in discontinued operation. Achieved the net profit of rupees 2.68 crores as against the loss of rupees 3.32 crores of the previous year. Overall, the performance of the company was excellent due to the revival of the US economy from inflation and improvement in the order position of the company. In the FIBC segment, the company achieved a turnover of rupees 225.14 crores as against 202.21 crores of the previous year due to improved price realization and receding inflationary pressures in the US economy. In textile segment, the company has permanently closed the operations of textile division during the last financial year 2023-24. The company has completed the realization process during September 2024. The machineries having the book value of 57.22 lakhs out of the total assets held for sale of rupees 5.84 crores were re-employed for FIBC division. We intend to use for those machines for FIB divisions and will be exposed whenever the prospective buyer are identified. The global FIBC industry experienced notable growth during the financial year 2024-25, positioning itself as a critical segment within the industrial packaging landscape. One of the primary drivers of the growth is the surge in international trade. The healthcare sector has emerged as a significant consumer of FMCG products. Also, the rise of e-commerce has significantly influenced packaging demands. The global FMCG market reached a valuation of USD 8.36 billion and is expected to grow to $1.86 billion in 2023 at a steady compound growth of 4.9%. India remains at the forefront of global FMCG supply. The Indian FMCG industry saw substantial input growth in 2024-25, driven by its competitive manufacturing costs, consistent product quality, and enhanced production capabilities. 2024 has been a transformative year for the FMCG industry, characterized by rising global demand, sectoral diversification, and strong performance from key manufacturing hubs like India. Overall, the performance of the company was excellent for the year 2024-25. Dividend. Your directors have not recommended any dividend for the year 2024-25. Future outlook. The industry is expected to maintain this growth momentum, adapting to global trade dynamics, evolving consumer markets, and shifting supply chain needs. By strengthening the operational efficiency and cost control such as standardization of supply chain and other decisive internal measures, we are optimistic about better financial performance in the coming future years. With the rise of e-commerce and healthcare sector around the world, the FMCG market is expected to witness impressive growth over the next decade. The company has also set in place a strong cost reduction plan for this financial year. I thank you, the shareholders of the company, for the continued support and participating in the AGM. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chairman. In this meeting, the company had arranged two-way communications in this meeting. The members, essence of expressing their views or ask questions during the meeting, have been requested to register themselves as a speaker by sending their request at least 3 days prior to the meeting. I inform you that two members have registered as speaker shareholders for today's meeting. I will now call upon the speaker shareholders one by one. I invite the first speaker, Mr. R. Venkat Narayan, to speak. Mr. Venkat Narayan, sir, are you there?
So, Mr. Venkat Narayana, sir, please unmute yourself and speak. Mr. Venkat Narayana, sir. So since there are network issues there, so he can't able to unmute and speak. You can go with the next speaker.
So, okay, sir, we will move on. The other speaker also registered Ms. R. Lakshmi, but she is not connected due to some technical issues in her phone. So we will move on. Further. In this unprecedented meeting, there are 3 resolutions. 2 resolutions under ordinary business category. The 1 resolution under special business category are proposed for members' consideration and approval through e-voting. I would like to read out the proposed resolutions. In the ordinary business, adoption of company standalone and consolidated audited financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2025 through ordinary resolution. Reappointment of Srimati Duppa Ramji, Director, to retirement rotation through ordinary resolution. In special business category, appointment of Sri B. Subramanian, Practicing Company Secretary, as Secretary Auditor for a term of 5 consecutive years, commencing from the financial year 2025-26. The board had appointed Sri B. Subramanian, Practicing Company Secretary, as the scrutinizer to scrutinize the votes cast by the shareholders through e-voting and to submit his consolidated report. The results of remote e-voting and value e-voting during this AGM, along with the scrutinizer report for all the 3 resolutions, will be announced to the stock exchange and will be displayed in the company's website within 2 working days from the conclusion of this meeting. So vote of thanks. I thank all the directors, key manager personnel, statutory auditors, secretary auditor, speaker shareholders, and other attendees for their active participation in this AGM through video conferencing. I also thank the NSL team for their excellent services provided for successful conducting of this meeting and the AGM through video conferencing.
We will conclude this meeting and thank you very much for all your participation. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. With the permission of the Chairman, we are concluding these meetings. So thank you, sir.